Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a super cute Plushie doll. So let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just upload your image or your photo that you want to transform. And then next, after that, just go to apps and then just search for Placifier. This one, this app, just click on it. And then next, you can upload your image, or if you already upload your image on your canvas, just click on it like this, and then after that just simply tap on generate and wait for the process. And okay, like this, the result, it looks so cute. It becomes the plastic versions like this with the bright eyes. It's so cute. And then if you unsatisfied with the result, you can generate again by tap on generate again. And if you already satisfied with the result, just simply tap on add to designs like this, and you're done. And okay, maybe that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.